Hello and welcome back to NeoEnglish, your daily podcast for learning practical English with today's news.
Hi, everyone. Today, we'll talk about a big story in the tech world. Apple has released a new build of iOS 26 Beta 1, but it's only for some new iPhones. Let's break this down in simple English.
First, what does Apple has released a new build mean? Released means they made something available to people. Build here means a version of computer software. For example, if I say, the company released a new build of the app, there's a new version you can try. Another example, the developer released a new build to fix bugs.
Good. And what about Beta 1? Beta is a special word for software that is not finished yet. Developers test it to find problems. If you hear Beta 1, it means the first test version. For example, I am using the beta version of this game, or the photo app is still in beta.
Now, this new build is for developers. Developers are people who make apps or software. In this news, only developers can use iOS 26 Beta 1 for now. You can say, she is a software developer, or developers create new tools for phones.
Apple says the new build is only for certain newer iPhone models. Certain means not all, just some. Newer means recent or not old. So, only people with some of the newest iPhones can use this test version. You could say, this offer is only for certain customers. Or, newer computers work faster.
So let's put this together. Apple released a new version of iOS 26 Beta, but only some developers with new iPhones can try it. That's big news because usually beta software is for more people, not just some.
Did you notice the word unusual move? Unusual means something that does not happen often. Move here means a decision or action by a company. For example, it's an unusual move to close the store early. Or, their move surprised everyone.
Apple usually lets all developers try the beta, but this time only a group with newer models can use it. Maybe they want to test new features on new phones first.
And beta testers are the people who use and help test software before it is finished. They can say, I am a beta tester for this app. Or, beta testers give feedback to the company.
Let's recap the important vocabulary and phrases. Released means made available. For example, the game was released today. Build means a software version. They have a new build of the program. Beta means a test version of software. I use the beta version. Developer means a person who makes software. My friend is a developer. Certain means some, not all. This is for certain people. Newer means more recent. The newer iPhones have better cameras. Unusual move means an action that is not normal. It was an unusual move. Beta tester means a person who tests the software. I am a beta tester.
Let's explain the news simply one more time. Apple has made a new test version of iOS 26 called a beta build, but only developers with some of the newest iPhones can use it right now. This is not normal for Apple, so it's an unusual move. Beta testers will use this iOS to look for problems before it goes to everyone.
Here's the background. iOS is the system that runs your iPhone. Every year, Apple makes a new one. Before everyone gets the new iOS, developers and beta testers try it first to find mistakes and give feedback. This time, only some can try the new iOS early.
Our story today used the phrases release a build, beta version, unusual move, and for certain newer models. Now you know how to use them. For example, if someone says, I joined as a beta tester for a new build, you can understand they're testing early software.
That's everything for today's episode of NeoEnglish. If you want to learn English with us every day and stay up to date with the latest news, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss an episode.
See you next time, and keep practicing your English.
Bye.
Bye-bye.